Today we will learn a Vedic maths addition trick called dot method. See on the board, here we are given with few numbers and we have to add them. So what is the technique behind it? We will add starting from upper side or lower side. The answer will be same. Now 6 and 8, if we add them, we get 14. So for 10, we have to put a dot here. Now 4 is left and 4 will be carried forward further to add. 4 and 4 gives us 8 and 8 and 9 gives us 17. Now what we have to do for 10, we have to put a dot and 7 will be carried forward. Now 7 and 3 gives us 10. So I put a dot here for 10. Now nothing will be carried forward because it is only 10. Now 6 and 7, 13. For 10 I will put a dot here and 3 will be written here. Because 3 is left, the numbers got finished, so 3 will be written here. Now what is the second step? We have to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 will be written here at the tens place and 43 is our answer. Now we will apply dot method to two-digit numbers. The method will be same. See on the board. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. For 10, I will put a dot here and 2 will be carried forward. 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 8 gives us 12. So, we put a dot for 10 and 2 will be carried forward. 2 and 6, 8. 8 and 4, 12. So, we put a dot for 10 and 2 will be written here. Now, what we have to do? We have to count the dots. 1, 2 and 3. This 3 will be carried forward here. Means this 3 will be added here. Now, we will start from 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 and 6, 11. So, for 10, I will put a dot here and 1 will be carried forward. 1 and 5, 6. 6 and 9, 15. Again, dot for 10 and 5 will be carried forward. 5 and 6, 11. Again, put a dot for 10 and 1 will be carried forward. 1 and 5, 6. 6 and 3, 9. Now we will count the dots 1, 2 and 3. So we will write 3 here at the hundredth place. So our answer is 392.